Welcome to Sonic Sciences. Today, we're turning our attention to the fascinating world of psychology, exploring how the mind works and how certain behaviors can shape our lives. In this episode, we'll focus on obsessive-compulsive disorder, or OCD, and specifically look at the traits of collecting and organizing. How can these behaviors be both a challenge and a unique superpower? Let's find out. OCD is a mental health condition characterized by unwanted, persistent thoughts known as obsessions and repetitive behaviors called compulsions. These compulsions are performed to alleviate the anxiety caused by the obsessions. One common compulsion is collecting or hoarding items. For some individuals with OCD, collecting items can provide a sense of control and comfort. These collections might range from everyday objects like books and clothes to more specific items like stamps, coins, guitars, sports memorabilia, or even toys like Hot Wheels cars. People can and will collect anything and everything. And as they say, one man's trash is another man's treasure. The act of collecting can become a way to manage intrusive thoughts and reduce anxiety. So, why do people with OCD feel the need to constantly organize and reorganize their collections? It often comes down to a need for control. When the mind is filled with intrusive thoughts and anxieties, having control over one's environment can provide a sense of stability and calm. For many with OCD, these behaviors are a way to counteract feelings of chaos and uncertainty. The repetitive nature of organizing can serve as a coping mechanism, offering temporary relief from anxiety and obsessive thoughts. The precision and dedication to these tasks can also be a form of self-expression, showcasing an individual's unique way of seeing the world. While these behaviors can be challenging, they also highlight the incredible attention to detail and dedication that individuals with OCD possess. When harnessed positively, these traits can lead to remarkable achievements in various fields, from design and organization to art and science. Take, for example, the world of design. Many renowned designers and organizers have channeled their OCD traits into creating stunning, meticulously crafted works. Their ability to see the smallest details and ensure everything is in its rightful place can result in extraordinary creations. But it's important to remember that these behaviors can also become overwhelming. The constant need to organize and reorganize can lead to significant distress and impact daily functioning. That's where professional help comes in. Therapies such as cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, and exposure and response prevention, known as ERP, are highly effective in helping individuals with OCD manage their symptoms. These therapies focus on changing the thought patterns and behaviors associated with OCD, providing long-term relief. Medication can also play a role in managing OCD, helping to reduce the intensity of obsessive thoughts and compulsive behaviors. If you or someone you know is struggling with OCD, it's crucial to seek professional help and explore these treatment options. Support groups and mental health resources can provide additional support, connecting individuals with others who understand their experiences and can offer empathy and advice. By recognizing the potential within these behaviors, we can learn to appreciate the unique strengths that come with OCD. It's about finding a balance and understanding how to turn challenges into superpowers. Embracing one's traits can lead to incredible accomplishments and a fulfilling life. Whether it's creating art, designing spaces, or organizing complex systems, the meticulous nature and dedication of individuals with OCD can lead to extraordinary achievements. It's about channeling those traits in a positive and productive way. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the mind. Stay tuned for more episodes of Sonic Sciences as we continue to explore the fascinating intersections of psychology, science, and our everyday lives. If you found this episode helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And remember, keep exploring.